Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to send WhatsApp to any phone number directly. If you want to send anyone on message on WhatsApp directly as the number is not saved into your contact, so you just need to follow these steps. First, just open your browser and here go to search bar and just enter code wa.me, then slash, then enter country code, and after that enter the phone number you want to message. As I am going to enter this one, so just enter it, then tap on next, and now it will open something like this. Then you just have to tap on continue to chat, then select your WhatsApp app, and after that you will be able to message directly through the contact without seeing him. As I am messaging him like this, so you can see I have successfully messaged him. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.